Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. We are back with another stream. Let me just share my screen. Did everyone like the intro? That was a better intro, wasn't it, than than the clocks that kept going round and round and round. A time is much better. Let me just share this, and I think I'll just have to edit this slightly to make sure that we can see the blowfin thing at the bottom. Let me just try and there we go. Can I make that? Can I make it bigger on the sides? Maybe no. How's that? Can you still? I'm guessing that's still a good view, isn't it, of the screen? Let's update the layout. There we go. How's that? Can you? Is the screen still big enough for everyone? Just let me know in the chat. Me presenting my screen. I just wanted to get that in partnership with Blowfin at the bottom there. So do just let me know if that's still big enough for you. That's fine, says Ben. Perfect. Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for coming back to another Stonksy stream. And as you can tell, we've got a special one today. We've got the first look at Stonksy SR, automated SR lines, which everyone's been eagerly anticipating. So let's see who we've got. We've got Patrick saying first. Actually, I think you'll find, Patrick, I was first. So you was second. We've got Gaia saying second. Never want to miss the intro. Waiting for music. Yeah. Well, I found. I managed to find a 5-minute countdown now, so everyone can enjoy some Wii shopping cart music at the start of every stream. Now we've got Smurfy. Big up Smurfy, absolute legend. Afternoon, David and chat. Good afternoon, Smurfy. Welcome back to another stream. We've got Lara. Good day to you. We've got Crypto Bash saying, "Let's go, TMG, Stonksy, and CSE, keeping me entertained today." That's it. Full day of entertainment. It's an all-day show. We've got Ben saying afternoon. We've got Mike saying hi from Cornwall. Hi, Mike. Lovely part of the country. Very jealous. How is it down in Cornwall now? Is it still not too cold, or what's it looking like? I bet it's lovely down there in winter. I've only ever been down in the summer. We got Tantana saying top of the morning, lads and ladies from Mexico. Yeah, we got Tantana, who's from Mexico, and he's a big Link Marine as well. Dave, you already know what I want to say. Yeah, I know. You're obsessed. So yeah, we've got fan. Everyone's saying that's fine. We've got John saying, hi, everyone. I hope you're all having a great day. I hope you're having a great day as well, John. I hope you're having a great day. We've got Smurfy saying, looks good. We've got Bruce. You've got the same name twice, haven't you? Saying, good day, chat. Good day to you, Bruce. I hope you're having a good one. We've got Mike with the daily Dave. So let's spam some capital Mikes in the chat for Mike. Let's big up Mike. Thank you for returning, mate. We've got Mitt saying afternoon all. We've already got someone saying, please check Sol. I'm sure we can check Sol. It looks Sol's on the move, isn't it? Oh, we've got the legend. We've got the master trader himself. Tell you what, you've not been in one in a while, have you? Good sir. But yeah, Block Pro, absolute legend. So make sure you go and check out Block Pro on Twitter. Go and drop him a follow. Just type in his name. Absolute legend. Superb trader. Some might call him a magician, but yeah, superb. And yeah, he's right. Go and drop a like. Go and drop a like on the stream. We've got 45 people in the stream so far, so we should have at least 30 likes by now. Someone give me a little like update. Someone can be the like updater today. Who wants to volunteer? But yeah, we should at least be at 30 likes. If we're not, I'm going to be disappointed. We got Spacey saying, hey, Dave, hello. So we got Smurfy saying he's just up the road, Mike, in Devon. So there you go. So potentially 2 Stonksy users could go and meet up in the local cafe and exchange Stonksy indications there. That'd be one for Smurfy and Mike. We got Let's Go saying, hello, Stonksy. I have become the Stonksy. Yes, I've become the Stonksy. If you use Stonksy on AXU, it gives a lot of fake movements. How do we avoid that? We can take a look at that. What time frame are you looking at, Shippy Monk? We've got Gaza. Welcome back, Gaza. Thank you for returning. We've got Aqua saying, good day to you. We've got Mike saying it's wet down in Cornwall. I think, yeah, it probably is all over the country. New to the game, joining the CSE community today. That's superb. Well, hopefully we'll have some of you. We've got Block Pro giving the big mic up there. We've got Steve-O, my favourite American, saying, eating my dinner, bacon sausage baguette. Superb, mate. Superb. We've got Big G saying, Dave, peace out. 1 minute time frame as well as 3 minutes. Yeah, we can take a look at that for sure. But do make sure you go and drop a like on the stream, everyone. And make sure, if you haven't already, sign up to Blowfin. So Blowfin is now the official exchange partner of Stonksy. I will drop the link in the chat now. If you've not joined Blowfin, go and sign up. You do get VIP 1 instantly when you sign up with the Stonksy link, which means that you pay lower fees. Here we go. So you get lower fees, so you save on, obviously, open and closing trades. Just a little bit about Blowfin. For those of you that haven't used Blowfin or haven't signed up with Stonksy yet, you can find all this on the Stonksy website, stonksy.io, under the exchange heading. But, just a few cool features about Blowfin. They don't trade against its users. The founder's doxed. All customer funds are custodied in Fireblocks, so they don't have access, so they can't go and dip into the funds like FTX did and go and spend it on loads of rubbish like FTX did. They're locked away. So funds are back 1-to-1, and that's all verified on Nansen. And the biggest one for obviously all us, crypto users is it's non-KYC. So you don't have to sign up with a driving license. You don't have to sign up with a passport. If you are in a restricted region, you simply just whack on a VPN into a region that's not restricted, and yeah, you're good to go. So yeah, you easily sign up, and they have a mobile app as well for convenience. So you can use it on desktop and mobile. And this is how easy it is to sign up. If you just click the link, so in the chat, it's in the description of this stream, and you can find it on the Stonksy website and on the X page. So it's literally everywhere. I'm actually still signed in. Let me just sign out. So let's go back to the start. So if you click sign up here, and then you'll be taken to this page. Literally, all you do is you put an email in, you choose a password, the referral code's already in there, so you don't have to do anything with that. You tick the box, sign up, and then all you have to do then is put a code in that it sends the email, and you're in. Literally 2 minutes to sign up, and you're in. Bang on. You can start depositing, then you can trade straight away. There's no messing about. So yeah, do head over to Blowfin, click the link in the chat, in the description, or on the Stonksy website, and come and join us over at Blowfin, the official exchange partner of Stonksy. And there's going to be a lot more coming between Stonksy and Blowfin. So you are going to be needing signing up through the link to take advantage of those that are coming. So yeah, get ahead of the game, come and jump over. And yeah, get VIP 1 free. You get cheaper fees. So who doesn't want that? Let's see who we've got in here. We've got Jordan saying GM to you, Jordan. We've got Mitch saying, got Stonksy yesterday. First full day trading with it today. Already looking good as cut TRX on a long. Boom. There we go. So anyone who wants, a bit of validation, if you've not got Stonksy yet, we've got Mitch who joined Stonksy yesterday, and he's already caught a good move on TRX. So I'm guessing, Mitch, you might have already nearly paid for your monthly sub already then within a day. Or, you might be a lot of the way there. What do you think about Orange Via? Can have a look at those. We can have a look at those. But yeah, obviously we've got Blowfin, and then obviously Stonksy itself. If you're not signed up to Stonksy, these are the plans that you can get. So this one is the monthly plan. This works out at roughly £4 to £5 per day, and you're not tied into a contract as well. You can cancel anytime. So yeah, you're not locked in on that. So come and join us for a month, maybe if you've not got Stonksy yet. Obviously, Bitcoin being above 100k, there's never a better time to come and do it. Heading into the end of Q4 into Q1. Then we've got the annual plan, which works out obviously cheaper than the monthly, and then we've got the lifetime plan. So yeah, some people start on the monthly, some people buy the annual, some people start on the monthly, make enough money and then come and buy the lifetime. But yeah, come and do join us over at Stonksy, and yeah, make sure you do click the link in the description to sign up for Blowfin. So let's have a look anyway. We're now above 100k, aren't we? We're now above 100k. Was everyone excited when they woke up today? What was your initial thought when you woke up? Do let me know in the chat. That CSE plan looks good. What is that about the calls with trading experts? Yes, that's very true, actually. So if we go over to here, there's obviously another one which you get access to CSE plus premium for a year, and you get Stonksy for a year. And Block Pro in the chat himself is the master trader that gives these calls. So he gives the one-to-one calls with members, and he teaches you how to trade. And he is absolutely superb at trading. The guy has a gift. He got given a gift by God at birth for trading. So yeah, you'll be able to get calls with Block Pro when you sign up for that one as well. So do make sure you go and check Block Pro out on Twitter. Give him a follow. Show him some support. Just signed up to Blowfin. Yes, Smurfy. There we go. Got another one. If anyone's just signed up to Blowfin as well, do let me know in the chat. We got Gaza saying checking out Blowfin today. So far, so good. Good, very good. Do let me know if you just signed up to Blowfin with the link. We've got a question I have is, can you get Stonksy showing with the Blowfin charts at all? So you can pick the Blowfin charts out on TradingView, yeah, but there is obviously something in development and in the plans for integrating Stonksy and Blowfin, which is going to be coming to users in the near future. So that's something to look forward to. That's why I'm saying, if you've got Stonksy, make sure you start trading on Blowfin. Sign up with the Stonksy link. Start trading on Blowfin because you're going to need it for what's to come in the partnership between Blowfin and Stonksy. We got Block Pro saying 100k. My mind went, shit, I'm too soon to want to short it. Where would you estimate Block Pro? So obviously Block Pro is an absolutely fantastic trader. I think maybe we should get him on a live stream at some point when he's got time, but he's very, very busy. But we should definitely get him on a live stream at some point. But, in terms of your opinion, Block, where would you say, if you had to estimate, and obviously this isn't financial advice, it's pure estimation, where would you say you think Bitcoin tops out at in terms of, cyclical, in terms of this cycle? Where would you think that seems like a read? And it could be a range, it could be 120k to 130 or something, but where would you say in your mind you think this is probably where I estimate it runs out of steam? Doing $100 challenge. Yes, I seen this yesterday, Matex. I've actually got that thing that you posted in the Blowfin P&L chart. I've got it ready to post on Twitter on the Stonksy account. So if you do want tagging in that, just drop me a DM on Discord and I'll tag you in the post as well. But I did see that yesterday. So Matex started a $100 challenge, and yesterday he posted a P&L of, I think you were already up 50, wasn't you, at the time? But he's already doubled it. So he's over doubled it. So he's over $200 already. And that's one day trading Stonksy. So, he started with $100 and he's already basically nearly paid for his monthly sub in one day. And that's just doing with $100. Just rushed back from a dog walk. Catch the stream. How are we doing, Dave? I'm very well. Thank you, Andy. I'm very, very well. Very well. How are you doing? How's your trading going? Andy has witnessed some superb results using Stonksy. Absolutely fantastic. Should we have an update, Andy, if you want to, of where you're at? I think you started with 5k, didn't you? And the last you was up to 50 odd K. We got Stocko saying signed up to Blowfin earlier today. Yes, Stocko. Was that with the Stonksy link? Yeah. I will. It's in Shippy Monk. Yes, just a bit of patience. I will check it out. We got Gaza saying, I saw 102k this morning when I woke up. Couldn't quite believe it. Who is Stonksy? Me, of course. I'm only joking. Stonksy's a trading indicator. This is what you see on the background here. So Stonksy is a trading indicator. Go to stonksy.io if you want to find out more about it. But Stonksy isn't a person. It's an indicator, to answer your question. We got Hugo saying, good afternoon, Dave. Good afternoon, Hugo. Is Martin joining us again today? I enjoyed Martin being in the chat yesterday. We got Matt X in tag away. Yeah, just drop me a message on Discord, mate. You obviously know where to find me, and I'll tag you. How do we start the $100 challenge? No, so Matt is just doing it on his own. He's just doing it on his own. He's put $100 in a Blowfin account yesterday, and he's already up to over $200 using Stonksy. He's doing it. It's a personal challenge for him. Can you help with spending my money? I got too much at the moment. I'm using Stonksy every day. Yeah, of course, mate. Yeah, what I'll do after this stream, Hugo, I'll drop you a Solana address, and you can send over some my way. I'll definitely help you with spending it. We've got the legend, Justin. Justin's back for another day. Thank you very much for joining, mate. It's great to see you in the chat. So we got Block giving some insight. He says, I was surprised to see 103k. I'm planning end of Jan that we will see a mega pullback based on the inaugural. I can't say that word. Basically, when Trump takes office again, short everything again. That makes me feel normal. I thought you were Stonksy. I think I have became Stonksy, haven't I? I think it's integrated itself in me. You know, when Spider-Man gets bit by the spider, and then he starts turning into Spider-Man. That's basically what's happened. I've been bit by Stonksy. It's infected me, and I am now Mr. Stonksy. So yeah, that's a good analogy. I'm Spider-Man, but Stonksy. I've been overcome by the personality that is Stonksy. We got Cossa saying, morning, good morning. Our chat is great today. The chat is great. Long the crap about end of Feb, beginning March, sell the bags in May. So yeah, Block's planning for a pullback at the end of January, long in the pullback, and then sell in May and go away. However, I will be selling before May because I want to avoid the run for the door. Fair enough, thanks. Any tips on what just doing $100 challenge? Any tips, Matt? Have you got any tips for Gaza on doing $100 challenge? Small account trading challenges are the best to learn. Yes, true, because you can afford to make mistakes. I just opened a sol trade. Please, can you see if Stonksy thinks it's a good idea? I'll look at that now. Who made it? Was it TMI? Do you mean TMG? Yeah, TMG founded Stonksy. He funded obviously the development and creation of it. Yeah, it's his company. But I suppose, yeah, we've just discovered today that I am actually Stonksy now. So you know that meme, I am the captain now. That's basically me saying I am Stonksy now. So yeah, that's me. I'm the captain. We've got Jordan saying all the boys are in. They are. We've got 58 people in the chat. Make sure you do go and drop a like on the stream and subscribe. Oh, I've just got rid of it. I had a pre-written out thing to drop in the chat every day, and I've just accidentally got rid of it. But yeah, do go and drop a like on the stream. It's great to see the chat so active, and obviously everyone's feeling good with Bitcoin over 100k. Alts are popping off. Life is good at the moment. And if you haven't already, for anyone who's just came in, Blowfin is now the official exchange partner of Stonksy. I'm just dropping the link into the chat now. You can find it in the stream description as well. But Blowfin is a super exchange, and obviously alongside some key features such as the customer funds are completely protected. It's obviously a non-KYC exchange, and if you are in a restricted region, you can use a VPN to get on board, and they do have a mobile app as well. And when you sign up with the Stonksy link, that's in the chat, in the description, or here on the Stonksy website, you do get VIP 1 straight away, which means you pay less exchange fees. So do go and click that link, sign up to Blowfin. If you're already signed up, it's fine. Just log out your account, click the link, sign up with a new email, and yeah, you'll be on the Stonksy link then. Just transfer your assets over. Send me your seed phrase and I'll have a nice day. Sorry. I've still got that cough from in the week, but it's obviously a lot less bad now. It's really starting to come out. Dave got stonksified. Yeah, I did. I got stonksified. Just catching up on your stream, mate. Grew. Oh, he grew a 5,000 account to 82k. But yeah, so he's now doing a $1,000 to $50 challenge. Mate, honestly, use Blowfin. Do that challenge on Blowfin. That would be superb. So yeah, do go and sign up to Blowfin, Andy, and $1,000 to $50,000 challenge on Blowfin. Yeah, let's get it. And I'll be able to follow your journey along as well. You know, post it on the X or whatever. But yeah, do go and sign up to Blowfin. What's the thoughts on Nero last 4 hours? We had Stonksy go green on hourly. Looks 50-50 though. I'll have a look. I'm at work at the moment. Could write in strat. Yeah. So for Gaza, who asked about, you know, obviously a small trading challenge, Matt X is going to put something in Discord for you later. How does it compete with Market Cipher? It differs to Market Cipher, but we have released a couple of case studies. So if you go to the Stonksy website and then you go down to where the hyperlinks are, if you click the medium one, we've begun uploading case studies. So the first one was obviously the Bitcoin 2-hour chart, and then we've had a couple of others. We've had the case study uploaded yesterday on XRP. So yeah, but very well is the answer to that. Very well. Definitely come and sign up to Stonksy. Anyway, without further ado, can you notice anything different today? I am giving you the first look at the automated SR lines on Stonksy. So this is the first look at them. This is obviously what they'll be when we give the script updates to everyone. I said by the end of the week, and we delivered. So this is the first look, and obviously we'll let everyone know when it's ready for the script to be updated. But I do have an explainer here for them that we can run through, that one of my colleagues has kindly put together for me. So actually, I think it's on me. Did I see it's on medium now? Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Let's go through the medium one instead. It's on medium. So yeah, if you do want to go and read this, check out the Stonksy medium. Right. So this latest code update allows Stonksy to identify SR on a chart and plots them with customizable colors and visibility options. The code uses pivot point calculations to detect price levels where the market has historically reversed or consolidated. So here's how it works. So number one, SR. The code calculates up to 8 levels of support and resistance. And I know this has been a big thing. I keep getting asked every single day, when's it coming? When's it coming? So here you go. Here it is. And yeah, hopefully we will be making it ready for everyone to update the script before the week's out. So the latest levels 1 to 4 represent the most recent support and resistance. Levels 1 and 2 derive from recent pivots. These are the strongest coloured of the thin minor lines. Levels 3 and 4 derive from major pivots. These are the 2 widest lines on the chart with the strongest colours. Historical levels, these are 5 and 8. We've got 5 and 6, which are previous pivot levels, and levels 7 and 8. 2 pivots back from the original context, additional context. So we've got colour theory. So dynamic colouring, each level is coloured based on whether the current close price is above green or below. Sorry. We got transparency, varies based on importance of the level. Levels 3 and 4, the major lines, and level 7 and 8, the earlier pivots. So we've got plotting levels, minor levels. Plotted if minor levels are enabled through Stonksy settings, these are thinner lines. Major levels, these are thicker lines. So how to add SR lines to this price chart. So yeah, here we go. But yeah, go and read this on Medium and get ready for the update. But here we go, we have it here. So obviously you can see the thin lines, you can see the thicker lines. That's on the 15-minute if we go to the 1 hour. So yeah, superb. It's going to be really beneficial, and you can choose what you want. So obviously we go to the settings, you'll be able to turn on what ones you want and what ones you don't want. And you obviously be able to customize the colors as well. So if you want the thicker ones to be different color than the thinner ones, or the transparent ones, you can do that. But yeah, we'll have this on, and then we'll have a full video recorded as well on how to use them. So let me know what you think of the SR lines. The first look. We've got Andy saying he's signing up to Blowfin. Do let me know in the chat if you sign up to Blowfin. It'll be great to see obviously more people jumping on. I'll drop the link in the chat again, and obviously the links in the description of the stream. We got Block Pro saying looks good. Yeah, it's superb. A lot of work's gone into it. The Stonksy support resistant lines look very useful. Yeah, they should be very useful. And the thing is, if you prefer to draw your own, you can just turn them off. You know, it's not like you're forced to use them. If you don't want them on there, you can turn them off. We got Legend Saber Crypto in. Saber Crypto joined the stream yesterday, and we had a long one. We done over an hour and a half yesterday on stream. So yeah, big shout out to Saber Crypto. Go and type in his name on YouTube and on X and give him a follow on both. Superb guy, and yeah, we'll be having him on the stream again shortly. Yeah, the Bitcoin pump was nice. That entry of E3713 we found was brilliant. Yes, it was superb. And yeah, do make sure you go and check out Saber Crypto after the stream. We've got Kaz saying whoopie whoop. It's in inputs. It's in inputs. What's in inputs? What's in inputs, SMFC? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Sorry. I was on style, wasn't I? Yeah. So I see what you mean. So yeah. So you can turn them off. So there you go. So if you just want the majors, you go on inputs, and then you can just leave them on. If you just want minor, you can go and turn them off as well. Thank you for that. Yeah, because I was just covering style, wasn't I? Where obviously you can change the colours and stuff. But yes, thank you to SMFC for prodding me on that. Nero, yeah, we'll get on to it. I'm showcasing the SR lines. People have waited ages for this, Tom Myers. Bit of patience. Come on now. Come on. Everyone go and drop a like on the stream as well. Make sure you go and drop a like on the stream. Let's get the algorithm in our favour. Someone give me a like update. Can someone give me a like update? What are we up to? If we're not on at least 40 likes by now, I'm going to be very disappointed in you, chat, because we've got 62 people in here. We should at least be on 40 likes. Looks golden, mate. Thank you, legend. That's coming from a legend himself as well. Sweet. SR lines. Yeah, I told you. I did tell you, didn't I? Everyone was asking me when. I said before the week's out. And here we go. I've delivered. So yeah, we'll pop in. We'll obviously do it at everyone message in the Discord. We'll post it out on Twitter, and obviously I'll say on stream as well when it's ready. But if you are a Stonksy user, you'll obviously get told in the Discord when it's ready to update. When are my Bitcoin pillows being delivered? How many have you ordered? Actually, Samuel, yours is being shipped today. I remember actually the name, yeah. Yours is being shipped today. You've ordered one, haven't you? We've got Justin saying hello to Block Pro. Does Stonksy indeed come with a Discord channel? Yes. So when you sign up to Stonksy here on the website, when you sign up to this, once you signed up and we've seen your order and given you access, you'll receive a welcome email. And in that welcome email, you've obviously have loads of handy information about setting up Stonksy. And in obviously all that is the link to join the Discord. So yeah, come and sign up to Stonksy today. I'll pop the link in the chat now. So many links, so many things to put in. I'm going to have to nominate someone as a mod, I think. I'm going to have to nominate because I don't know how to do it automatic. But someone's going to have to be nominated as a mod, I think, soon to drop links in. And someone who doesn't want to drop any dodgy links in as well. We can't be having any dodgy links going on. But yeah, as soon as you sign up to these, once we've given you access, we'll send you a welcome email. The link to join the Discord is in there. And there's hundreds of people in the Discord now. There's hundreds of people. And it's, people sharing trades and IDs and things like that. So yeah, another reason to join Stonksy. We're continuing to develop, continuing to add more value to users. So, we've already added alerts. We've opened the Discord. We're adding SR lines as well. And that's just come, standard from everyone who's signed up. There's been no additional charge for any of that. Right, what have we got going on? It's time to look at some charts soon. But do make sure you go and sign up to Blowfin. Let me know in the chat when you've signed up to Blowfin. I want to know who's signed up to Blowfin today, so I can give you a nice shout out and tell you that you're a legend. It just made 25 likes. Oh, come on. Let's get the likes up more than that. Dave is always on fire. Yeah, mate. I feel like I'm on fire on these streams, and then I come off the stream and I feel like I have to go for a walk just to bring me back down to earth. I feel like the energy's been zapped out of me once I come off these streams. Order a t-shirt a day. You get out. 3 pillows. When did you order 3 pillows? I'll take a look, Samuel. Sorry, Sample. I'll have a look. If you've ordered 3 pillows, but either way, it'll be shipped today. You behave with them t-shirts. Anyway, let's go and look at some charts. Right, someone asked for the Sol chart, didn't they? And obviously we can have so Sol's up 6% today, nicely. And what did we get today? So we got obviously Stonksy catching the drop down the other day. We had this little bit of consolidation here. We had Stonksy then open red again and caught the drop down, lovely. And then we had Stonksy open this morning, green again. So that's some really good movement by Stonksy on the 1 hour, catching the drop earlier in the week. Then obviously this closed at break even roughly. Then we caught the drop again, and then we've opened green here and currently up just shy of 4.5% today, which is superb. So that's on Sol. And as you can see, it looks like it's coming up to some of these minor SR lines that Stonksy's drew. If we go to the left, it's obviously found these from over here. So as you can see, it's found them from this point here, where we came up to 245, fell back down, and then obviously we've seen rejection here a couple of times. So that's where this line's came from. And then obviously this line is where the high of the wick is. So yeah, really nice position from Stonksy there. Let's have a look at maybe some. Do catch it on it? Yeah, of course, it nicely on the 15-minute a bit later as well. This has only been open a couple of hours, so we opened there. I'm currently up just shy of 3.5% on the 15-minute. Anything on the 5? Nothing on the 5 either. That one went against us as well. But yeah, so that's Sol. Someone asked for Nero, didn't they? Nero. Let's have a look at Nero. Right, hang on. I need to turn something off here, don't I? Yes, I need to turn plot off. That's it. Plot and line off, yeah. There we go. Right, there we go. Right, that's finished. Right, so Nero, what have we had? This is on the 5-minute chart. So we had this, which went sideways. We did get a nice drop down, but then closed a little bit higher. And then we've caught a nice push up on Nero on the 5-minute. But what was someone querying? So it caught a nice drop here as well. We're currently in green on the 1 hour, just around the break-even level. But there's nothing much going on, is there? We're in profit on the 30-minute. That opened here and is just under 3% up. So it doesn't look like there's too much going on Nero, for whoever asked. In nice profit on the 30-minute. 1 hour's break even. We're in some profit on the 5-minute. That opened there. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing else really too much going on with Nero. All signed up. I'll post daily updates. Yes, superb. That's superb, Andy. I look forward to seeing him. Make sure you post him in the Discord. We've got Asylum saying, hi, are you doing live trade for Stonksy? See how it works? Easy show videos and history trades. Want to see live too? Potentially, yeah. Obviously, now that we're partnered with Blowfin, that's something we can look at, is obviously trading live on a Blowfin account. But, I mean, if you get Stonksy, then obviously you'll be able to see it live yourself. But, you know, the history means that you can go back and back test it as well. But the thing is, if we were going to live trade, it would have to be the 1 minute chart. Otherwise, we would potentially never even get a trade in there if it wasn't on the 1 minute. Obviously, we could do the 3 minute as well, but it would have to be a super low time frame. For live, watch the Martini guy. Yeah, TMG trades live. That's a good point. Thanks for reminding me, Tom. So TMG trades live with Stonksy every day. So if you do want some live trading, join TMG streams every day, and he does live trading with Stonksy. XAU, yeah, look at silver now. That is silver, isn't it? Or is XAU gold? Well, it's one or the other in it. One's XAU, one's XAG. Tom Myers, yeah, been in a long 3 hours since it flicked green, but seems like it might fall out. Potentially, we'll have to see what happens today, won't we? Stonksy is the best. Thank you very much, Itch. Glad you think so. Glad you think so. So do everyone go and sign up to Blowfin. I'll put the link in the chat. I'm going to keep at this until every single person in the chat says that they've signed up to Blowfin. Until I see everyone says, yes, we signed up to Blowfin with the Stonksy link, I'm going to keep at it. But yeah, you don't have to sign up with an ID. It's non-KYC. And if you're in a restricted region, just hop on a VPN. And yeah, you can sign up. And it literally takes a couple minutes to sign up. You click the sign up here button, click it in the chat or click it in the description. You put an email in, a password, click tick, because the referral code's already in there. Sign up, and then you just put in a verification code that gets sent to your email, and then you're in. You can deposit straight away, begin trading within a couple minutes. And that's that. Right, let's pull up XAU for the guy that keeps wanting it. USD. It's gold, yeah. I can't remember which one was gold and which one was silver. So what is it that you actually want me to look at? Not had too much on the 1 hour. No, that wasn't the best, was it? If you're trading low time frame, it looks good. Are you trading low time frame? Whoever's asked for this, what time frame are you trading? So I can look at the time frame that you want. The 1 minute looks good. I mean, I don't know maybe what time frame you're looking at, but if we just skip through here, down, caught a nice push up down there, got a small down move there, caught the down move there, caught the push back up, caught the push up there, caught all the run up there, and then got the reversal all the way down, caught the push back up, caught the push up there, down again, down, push back up small, down again, down, push back up, push back up. Obviously, you get these periods when it's just going sideways where it'll close at break even, small loss, maybe small profit. Caught down. So do let me know what time frame are you trading? Keeps firing trades on the 1 minute short trades. Yeah. I mean, yeah, it's put on the 1 minute, it's put 2 in, but they've both closed profitably. Obviously, this one was better than this one, but they both closed profitably, the most recent short ones. If you get in, obviously, the candle close there. Obviously, we got in there and we closed there, which I'm not exactly sure on gold if that's, a good scalp or not, but that's obviously where it happened. But yeah, that's gold anyway. It looks in a phase of consolidation though on the very low time frame. The Bitcoin, however, the digital gold is superb on the 1 minute. But what's everyone trading? Let me know in the chat. What do you want to avoid? What is it that you want to avoid, Shippy? Do let me know. Like and sub. Listen to Block Pro. Come and like the stream. Come and sub. Let's get you over here. Let's get you over on the subs. While we're talking about that, anyway. So before the stream, we was on 953. So we're approaching 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Let's see what we're on. 956. So we've gained 3. Come on, let's try and get this towards 1,000 today. If we can get up to say 970, then I've got a real shot at getting to 1,000 before the end of the week, which was my target. So can we get this? Come and do me a favor. If you like the streams or if you're new, come and subscribe. Let's try and get me towards 1,000 before the week's out. But yeah, do like the stream. Let's get as many people in as we can. Right, so we've got some requests. So let me just get my trusty notepad out. So we've got Link. Oops. So we've got Link, FTM. We've got ETH, XAI, Metis, TRX on the 5 minute particularly. Okay, make a note of that. Mode. Does moving average help? Mode 10 min. Does moving average help? Yeah, so yesterday we covered, if you go back to yesterday's stream with Say With Crypto was on, he covered how he uses EMAs to help him with the Stonksy moves as well, in terms of confirmation. If Say With Crypto, if you're still in here, do you mind dropping in what that script is called that you use? It's a bunch of like 5 different EMAs, the bands, isn't it? Where they all come together like a band. I don't know if Save With Crypto's still in here or not, but if you are, would you mind just telling Shippy Monkey what it is that you use for that, for the AMAs? Or if anyone has got any moving average that they particularly use. The 20 MA is something that Crypto Coffee uses. If you're in here, Crypto Coffee, as well, I did see your message before. I forgot to reply to you. I'll get back to you straight after the stream. I'm not sure if you're in or not. Does Stonksy work on Standard TradingView? Yes, you can use it on the free TradingView account, yeah. So you can use it on the free TradingView account. The only thing is, free TradingView will only let you set 1 alert. So we have alerts now for the background color change. So you can set it to any sort of request or just a standard every time the backgrounds change, which you select once per bar. But TradingView will only let you set 1 of these alerts. So with the free TradingView account, you can just set 1 alert on 1 asset on 1 time frame. That's the only catch with the free one. Apart from that, you're all good. You can use it. You know, you'll be able to use the background color change, the SR lines perfectly. It's only if you want to set more than 1 alert to be alerted when a background changes. That's the only thing that the free TradingView is a drawdown on. But yeah, do come and join us over at Stonksy Cow. It would be great to see you. Right, let's push ahead with some of these tickers anyway. So we've got Link. We've got Link, which no surprise has come from Tantana. Let's have a look what we're doing on Link. So the 1 hour's still open from last week. And yeah, it's just consolidated, isn't it? It's in sort of like a consolidation range after the move up. So potentially, maybe we see, a push up to the consolidation up here, get above this SR as well, that Stonksy's indicating, and then push on towards $30 maybe. But it's just in a cool down. You see this after big moves, where obviously big strong move up, cool down, and then maybe we might get continuation, yeah. But it's not really doing much, Tantana, to be honest, until we get a breakout. That's obviously, I've had some good movements on the 5. So obviously the 5 minute caught this drop down here. And then it's currently catching the push back up as well. So that's Link. That is the Link chart. Andy Bremer says, so this one for you is Shippy. He uses the EMA ribbons, crossing the 100 and 200. Bulletproof, he says. I also combine Crypto Screener to find easily price crossing the EMA on lower time frame, build a trade from there. So if you have a look at Andy's comment there for you, Shippy, and maybe perhaps implement that and go and try that. That's what Andy uses. And Andy's grew an account massively. from 5k to 83k. It's pretty remarkable, to be honest. We got Tom Myers saying, I feel like a lot of alts are doing the same today and yesterday, just semi-sideways. Yeah, because a lot of them have already had big moves up. So you obviously tend to see this. Once a big move up happens, it needs a little bit of cool down. Unless it's like an illiquid meme coin or something that's got a lot of hype around it. Obviously, Link's a large cap, just needs a little bit of cool down before potentially higher. Let's have a look at it. It looks weird, doesn't it? Seeing that, it looks weird seeing 103k, and obviously we haven't covered it, but Bitcoin, Stonksy caught the Bitcoin pump nicely. Obviously on the 1 hour, a couple of hours before it happened, and then on the 15-minute like we had before. Super nice push up. Right, what else have we got? We've got FTM. FTM still green on the 1 hour. Still green and nice. Yeah, and it's consolidating. So, maybe if we zoom down to a lower time frame, maybe the 5-minute. The 5-minute caught a drop down nicely. But with the consolidation, there's not really any point looking because obviously we're still green on the 1 hour. The 1 minute has obviously caught some nice scalps as well. I don't know maybe if anyone actually scalps FTM or not. I don't know if it's worth it, but Stonksy's caught some nice moves on there. But yeah, until it's one of them ones where it's just consolidating until we get some continuation or a breakdown perhaps or whatever. There's not really much point in looking at anything high time frame. We've got Big G saying bullish to see Bitcoin make a big move and alt should hold their ground well. Hopefully. Obviously, alt started to get a decent run, didn't they? Obviously, late last week into this week. So yeah, hopefully we'll see that continue. Obviously, it's large caps mainly at the moment, isn't it? So then maybe the next thing we need to look out for is a move into mid caps and low caps. But let me know what has been your biggest gainer. So let me know in the chat, out of all the coins that you're holding, what has been the biggest gainer, maybe throughout November and obviously this first week in December. Not in terms of trading, in terms of spot holdings. So out of all your spot, what has been the best performing coin for you? I'm interested to see how everyone is doing and maybe, obviously what coins people are holding at the same time. But do let me know. I'd love to know exactly what everyone's holding, and hopefully, yeah, you're all winning. We all want to see you all winning. So let's see. So we've got Asylum saying Algo. Yeah, Algo's moved well, hasn't it? First up, now down. All right, okay. Oh, we've got Dennis saying if you've got gaps in Stonksy, then try hiking. I don't know how to say that, but I've heard this is where this is where they're just continuous, isn't it? So like say if you trade in the 1 minute chart, you look for just continuation of green candles or red candles. That's what that is, isn't it? Telcoin, Nero, eGold, Dot, Sol, Wrap, Bitcoin. yeah, I bet Wrap Bitcoin's a good performer for you. Pulse Chain. There was something to do with Wrap Bitcoin, though, wasn't there? Not too long ago. Wasn't there some type of FUD or scaremongering to do with Wrap Bitcoin, Cal? Am I right saying that? I feel like there was something. The biggest gainer has been ETH for Tantana, ADA, and Doge. Biggest gainer on Lev is Link, Link, baby. Yeah, you love Link, don't you, Tantana? You're a proper Marine. But yeah, they've all moved decently. We've got Mittis. Oh, you're holding both of them. Oh, wow. Yeah, so you've had a superb couple of weeks then, haven't you, Mittis? Sorry, Mitts. XRP and XLM, you're up nicely then on both of them. Well done. So we got Andy saying, Stonksy just called a buy on Doge on the 1 minute, straight off the ribbon, crossover, quick 1,200 banked. Andy's absolutely killing it. He's absolutely killing it. The results on Andy is superb. And as you can see, let's go and have a look. So obviously I haven't got the ribbons on, but let's see Doge where he's talking about. So on the 1 minute, this move up, This move up here. I'm guessing. Yeah. And he just made 1,200 off that move. Massive. Justin Sun related it was. Justin Sun related FUD. I think he bought the company that custodies it. Right. Okay. Fair enough. How much you invest in? Though curious, my balance is small. What in terms of, do you mean investing or do you mean trading with? Even if your balance is small, Tom, you can trade a small balance into a lot. You know, as Block Pro said before, you know, small account challenges are the most fun. And, you know, you don't have to go, you know, gung-ho straight away, you know, 100x trying to catch, you know, silly P&L. You start small and just maybe focus on compounding. So focus on, you know, lower leverage and see it as like a couple month plan as a marathon instead of a sprint. And say, you know, if you've only got $100, say, right, I've got 3 months. I'm going to give myself 3 months, so I'm not going to put too much pressure on myself. I want to turn this $100 into $10,000 and give yourself 3 months, you know, a decent time frame to do it. And then, you know, when you get near there, then obviously you can say, okay, well, now I'm at this point. Then I can start, you know, putting some bigger trades on. And then maybe you try and turn that 10K into 20K. But focus on your risk management, particularly when you get a bigger account, and just, yes, obviously focus on, you know, sensible trades, and compounding if you've got a small account is obviously the best. No, this is wrap Bitcoin on Pulse Chain. Oh, right, okay. Never heard of that. Has anyone heard of that before? I thought you just meant standard wrap Bitcoin. It reached so wow. So you've done a 27x on that. That's superb. Well done. As much as I'm not really a fan, I bought XRP after the SEC win, and it's my biggest gain this cycle. Superb, Big G. Well done. Well done for that. Have you took any profits? So obviously we got you and we got Mitts, saying they hold XRP and XLM. Have you took profits on that? Is this high enough for you to take, you know, secure the bag and rotate into something else that maybe is not ran as hard yet? Or what's your plan? Block Pro's going, so thank you, Block Pro, for joining. Superb to see you, mate. And it's leaving messages, like and sub. Yes, make sure everyone goes, drops a like on the stream. And if you haven't yet, do come sign up to Blowfin. Just put the link in the chat again. It's in the description. And yes, obviously you will get VIP 1 straight away, which means you pay lower exchange fees. And it's a non-KYC exchange. So even if you're in a restricted region, you can sign up to Blowfin by using a VPN. And you can find all key information about Blowfin on the Stonksy website under exchange. So yeah, big thanks to Blowfin, official exchange partner of Stonksy. And yeah, there's going to be some exciting stuff coming between Stonksy and Blowfin. So do let me know if you've signed up to a Blowfin today. I know we've had a few in the chat sign up. Do let me know if you've signed up. And do let me know if you sign up for Stonksy as well. Or if anyone's not got Stonksy and you're considering it, do let me know in the chat. I'd like to know who's maybe on the fence, or, you know, if you're planning on signing up to Stonksy. Because I can't imagine that all 62 of you are all Stonksy users. That would be fantastic, but I just can't see that every single person that's viewing is a Stonksy user. So do let me know. Maybe I could answer some questions. Maybe I could show you something. Let me know. I'm trading my profits as we speak. Looking to take some profits on XRP soon. Well done. Yeah, well done. It's sensible, you know, after like a 5x move, there's nothing wrong with taking profits, especially because it's had a big move on it. And that's the thing, you know, these things don't go up in a straight line forever. They need time to cool off or come down. So especially while it's still where it is. Oh no, it's come down a bit actually, hasn't it? It has come down because it was up at $3, yeah. Near $3. So it has come down. Yeah. And for anyone who's a pattern person, so I'm not too much of a pattern person myself. However, would anyone suggest that we're potentially getting a little head and shoulders, and it's got a very clear neckline there as well? Now, I'm not too much of a pattern guy myself. I do like to identify them, but I don't trade based off them. However, if that's obviously to form and break, I would say we probably potentially drop down to below $2 there. Who thinks the same? Looking at that, obviously we've got, you know, each shoulder, we've got the head. It's come up towards $3, and especially after the move that it's had, some, you know, a drop down to there wouldn't be uncommon into this consolidation here and filling all that inefficiency. Looking at that, who agrees potentially that this is going to happen? I think personally, I think that looks likely, but I don't hold XRP, and I'm definitely not trading it at the moment. But first look, I would say yeah. So Mike is on the fence as I've never traded before. Okay, Mike. Well, if I can help you with anything, mate, do let me know. But when you join Stonksy, you get access to the Discord as well. So there's plenty of help, plenty of people on hand to help you as well, give you, some good advice, help you, with anything that you need. It's a great community in the Discord. And come and try it for a month. 145 quid. Like I say, you're not tied into a contract. You can cancel it if you wish, but come and try us for a month. 145 pound is good value when you consider, obviously, you get the indicator, but then you can jump in the Discord and just pick people's brains. And there's a section to ask questions where I can answer any questions for you, even if it's not directly Stonksy related. If it's just trading related, you can get that help. So yeah, hope to see you over there, Mike. Do you think Sol can break upwards? Of course. Sol's Sol's lagging a little bit now. I would be surprised if we don't see Sol at 350-ish in December. I'm surprised if we don't see Sol soon. It's not even properly broke out, has it? So, I would be surprised if we don't see it higher towards the end of December than it is now. That cough's hanging around. How you feeling? Yeah, it's still here a little bit, Scotty. It's still here a little bit. But it's at the end of it now. It's that point, where when you come out of an illness, you just sort of get like the snotty feeling. Sorry if anyone's eating the dinner. But yeah, I'm at the end of it now. It's coming out of me, and the cough's pretty much gone. I've still just got like a little bit of a croaky voice. It's come down, but hoping it's just a cool off. We've got Justin saying short it to zero, short it negative. Some XRP hate in the chat. Get rid of the scam that is XRP. Given a pullback likely anyway, the head and shoulders seems like confirmation. Yeah, and I would say it comes down into this little consolidation block here, because it'll fill in this inefficiency here. There's obviously, a gap where it just went up in a straight line. So I'm going to leave this, actually. I'm going to leave this Drew on, and we're going to see. We're going to see what happens with it. Justin, a.k.a. Mr. Short. He'll love that. Short in the break of the let line, but generally don't take shorts in the bubble. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I mean, that's obviously good advice. I'm not telling anyone to short it. I'm just saying this looks like it might come down to here. I'm not saying to short it. I mean, you can short in bull markets if you want. The imperative thing is you need to have your risk managed. So as long as you've got your stop placed at a point and you're happy that you're with what you potentially might lose, if your stop gets hit and you're fine with that, you think, I've got my risk managed, it's fine. You can still take stabs at shorts if you want to. You just have to make sure that you have a stop loss placed and what you potentially might lose, you're perfectly okay with. Apart from that, you can try and short in the bull market if you want to on things like this. And, if you use low leverage, even better. What's your thoughts on ADA support resistance, Matt? Is that a question for me, Harry? Or is that a question for someone in the chat called Matt? £145 plus my losses, lol. Thing is, if you treat the first month as a learning curve, Mike, then you shouldn't really lose that much because, as long as you don't try and run before you can walk. So the things when you first get into trading is you want to learn all about risk management. So you want to learn, obviously, don't use high leverage. You want to use as low as possible. You want to learn to always place stop losses somewhere. And then obviously you know what you're losing then, and just try a small account at first as well. But I think when everyone starts trading, you learn lessons. When I first started trading, I took some, pretty, if I could go back now, obviously I'd start a lot slower and a lot smaller, but I took, some pretty heavy losses at first, but you learn from them, and it's them, obviously, ways that you learn as well in terms of, all right, I won't do that again. But no, hope to see you over there at Stonksy anyway, Mike. It'd be great to TMG live today, if so when. I don't know if he might be in the shadows in the chat. I've not seen him yet. He might be in the stream, but he's not here. He's not put in the chat anyway. But I imagine he will be going live today, yeah. As usual, you'll know because he'll put it everywhere. Right, so it's a question for me. What's your thoughts on Adder support resistance? Let's go and have a look at Adder then, shall we? Yeah, Adder was on the list anyway, I think. Oh, no, it wasn't. We'll go and have a look at it. And then we'll have a look at some, there's some other, like someone mentioned TRX on the 5 minute. Well, Stonksy has obviously got this high highlighted here as resistance. And then it's got the 115 level, the 111, and 104. Until we start going too far down, but that's what it is. So it's got this highlighted as major, and this highlighted as major. Is that right? Because I think there's actually 2 lines there. We can tell which one's major and minor. So if we turn major off, yeah. So these are all minor resistance, minor SR, sorry. But as you can see, the top one is minor and major. That Stonksy thinks. But that's what it's looking like at the moment on the 1 hour. We got Spud saying great live, like and sub. Yeah, make sure everyone does go and listen to Spud. And yeah, for anyone who is a CSC Plus member, go and join the town hall in the Discord now. There's a town hall going on, so go and join. Like Justin's got a bounce. No problem, mate. Thank you very much for joining. So if you are a CSC Plus member, don't miss the town hall in the Discord. It's fine to hop off. Thank you for coming to the stream. Go and join the town hall in the Discord. And yeah, big up Spud for joining. Thank you for coming, mate. And yeah, do go and join Stonksy. Do go and join Blowfin through the Stonksy link. I've just put it in the chat again. Like I said before, it's in the description. And there's plenty of reasons to join Blowfin, apart from them being the official exchange partner of Stonksy. So if you like these streams, if you like these streams every day and you like Stonksy, or maybe you don't have Stonksy and you literally just come for my entertainment, come and at least sign up under a Blowfin link and get using it. It's one of the best exchange options are out there for sure. It's competing with the big boys such as Binance, Bybit, and OKX. And the best thing about them is they're all KYC. They'll make you, send your driving license or passport in. Blowfin don't. It's non-KYC. So you can sign up with just an email and password. And then you can obviously put things like Google Authenticator on for extra security. But if you are in a restricted region, you can easily use it by using a VPN. And they do have mobile app as well. So you can use it on desktop, mobile. And yeah, obviously the biggest thing for everyone in crypto is non-KYC. And when you sign up, you do get VIP 1 straight away. So you pay less exchange fees for opening and closing trades. So that is a good advantage for joining. So yeah, do come and join us at Blowfin. And let me know in the chat when you've signed up or if you've just signed up today. We got Scotty saying, gotta go walk the dog. Thanks, Dave. Feel better. But thank you for joining, Scotty. It's great to see you again, mate. It's great to see you again. We got Harry saying, gonna put some. Yeah, and that's the thing. Obviously, when we released fully, it'll be great because then everyone will be able to utilize this. This is obviously just the first look. But yeah, let's rattle through some more tickers. So someone said TRX on the 5 minute before. Obviously on the 1 hour we're still open. And wow, that did have a good run, didn't it? That had an absolute mental run. But the 5 minute caught it lovely, didn't it? It caught all the move up. Look at this. This is a perfect example of just how Stonksy can, if you traded this, all you'd need to do is trade this one move. Well, one move up and down on one time frame. And you'd literally you'll have paid for Stonksy for a lifetime. You'll have banked loads of profits. Stonksy, this was obviously on the 1 hour, 5 minute, and probably on some other time frames as well. But on Monday, it turned green, caught an 86% up move from open till close. Obviously, when as high as over 100%. And then not only that, it then caught the move down as well. So then it caught 16% from open till close down, and as low as 20%. And it's currently just catching a small bounce on the 5 minute as well. So if you ever needed, an example of just how good Stonksy can be, for £145 for a month, you literally just need to catch one of these trades and you've paid for your sub and you're in profit. So just imagine if you catch a few of them, or, if you use it to scalp every day, etc. Just imagine the possibilities. But yeah, do let me know in the chat if anyone's got any questions regarding Stonksy. Do let me know. Or let me know if you've signed up to Blowfin. I know we can't use Bybit in England with the Palau ID, but is that the case if we have a VPN too? So if you're in yeah, you can sign up to Blowfin. You can sign up to Blowfin if you're in England. Just use if you just use a VPN. Just use a VPN and put you in a country that'll let you. And you can sign up, no problem. Another Dave. Yeah. So that's entirely possible using Blowfin. Bybit works with Palau ID on a VPN, says Math. Yeah, but you don't even need a Palau ID or anything. Obviously, you could probably use your Palau ID to KYC on Blowfin if you wanted to. You know, maybe if you wanted a higher withdrawal, daily withdrawal limit or something. But yeah, come sign up to Blowfin. You don't even need to KYC. Just use a VPN. But thank you for that, Math. Great to know. But yeah, I use Blowfin now. So let me know who's been using Blowfin. Have you signed up to Blowfin today? Or let me know your Stonksy questions. If you're thinking about getting Stonksy, I know we've had a few in saying that they're thinking about it. Do let me know any questions you have about Stonksy, and I'll get round to answering them for you for sure. Now, we had someone say mode on the 10-minute, I think it was. Someone said mode on the 10-minute. It's been super nice, yeah. Obviously, caught the move on Monday, closed yesterday. Then, obviously, we had a move that went against us on the red, and then sort of like a break-even one. But this move was superb. Look at that. I don't actually know what mode is. What is mode? I don't know, but it's on Bybit, and it caught a massive move. I mean, look at this. Open there, and then obviously ended up closing there. That was 180% nearly. Superb. And obviously, if we flick through, as you can see, you know, on a 1 hour time frame, Stonksy has caught pretty much everything. But yeah, do let me know your questions in the chat. Been using Blowfin, took a trade on Sol earlier. Blowfin works well. Blowfin's superb, John. Thank you very much for letting me know. Andy's just put first Blowfin trade just went on. Yes, Andy. Andy, honestly, if you can do that $1,000 to $50,000 challenge on Blowfin, that will be superb. That'll be superb for for us to potentially document, or just so you can go in the Discord and say, I'm doing my $1,000 to $50,000 challenge, and I'm doing it on Blowfin. It massively, supports us in terms of this new partnership that we got with Blowfin. But Andy, you're a superb trader, mate, and just keep me updated. Keep me updated on your progress. And yeah, it's great that you're trading on Blowfin. We've got Math saying I use Bybit. I was using Bybit Palau ID, but mostly use Blowfin now as I prefer non KYC. Are you on are you on the Stonksy link, Math? What are you on? I hope you're on the Stonksy link. If you're not, sign up for another account on Blowfin with the Stonksy link. Thoughts on hype? On hype. Is this airdrop that got airdropped the other day? I seen something about a hype something airdrop or something. Hyper liquid, is this it? There's not much data to go off, is there? This is the problem with new drops, is that Stonksy needs a little bit of time to gather data, because obviously it only come out Wednesday. And it doesn't look the most liquid. I mean, look at that. Them candles are a mess. I wouldn't trade that at the moment, personally. I mean, you could trade it, obviously, if you want to. But look at the state of the candles. It might be fine to, trade on spot or whatever. But in terms of Stonksy, it needs more data. Let's have a look at XAI. It was one that Block Pro gave us before he went. Let's have a look. I think this has been in consolidation. There's not really much going on, is there? The 30-minute caught it nice. Caught it real nice, actually. Yeah, great. Thank you, Andy. Be great to see you, mate. It will be great to see. Let's see how many subscribers we're up to. 960. Thank you very much. We're nearly there. We're nearly there. But yeah, if you haven't checked out the Medium yet, you can find the Medium on the Stonksy website, stonksy.io. This little button here next to all the rest. And we have got, we've got releasing more articles. We released the case study on the Bitcoin 2-hour chart. Then we released this optimizing trading strategies article. Then we've done the case study that we released yesterday, long in strength with Stonksy and XRP. And it takes time for these to put together. They're not easy to put together, as you can see. It needs all data pulling. It needs strategy around it. This is obviously the strategy tester in TradingView. And we provide all the transparent data, but these take time to put together. So do go and check them out if you haven't. And obviously, this is, if you want to get ready for the SR release on the Stonksy script, go and check out this that we released today an hour ago. It'll give you all the information on obviously using the Stonksy automated SR lines. Yeah, using Stonksy link for low fees. Yes, Math. Great to know, mate. Superb to know. Superb to know. It's a great partnership between us and Blowfin. And like I said yesterday and today, there's going to be a lot more coming between Stonksy and Blowfin. So everyone who's already on there trading on the Stonksy link is well positioned to take advantage of that. We've got Ionco saying happy 100K. Yes, that's right, Ionco. How are you doing? Have you been catching any good trades? I bet you have. I bet you've been catching loads of good trades. Metis. But yeah, who likes the look of the Stonksy SR anyway? Who likes the look of it? Who's excited to use Stonksy SR? Do let me know in the chat. And where do we think we're going to break from up here? Where do we think we're going to break to? Obviously, we've got kind of, like a bull pennant forming here. Does anyone think that we're going to go higher today? Are we going to go towards 110 today, potentially? Obviously, when the ETFs launch. And I think this is the point really now where we start seeing the proper media attention. I mean, especially after what Jerome Powell said yesterday about Bitcoin competing with gold. It looks like it's prime now for the influx of media attention, doesn't it? Does anyone agree? It seems like all the conditions are coming together. We've obviously got Jerome Powell saying it, competes with gold in terms of its fundamentals. We've got obviously Trump to be inaugurated, or however you say that word, come back into office in just over a month. What else was there? There was something else yesterday, wasn't there? I can't remember. But it just looks like all the things are lining up for just mass media attention now. All day long, Ionco's trading. Ionco's riding through Cambodia. Do you ever use Stonksy for PAX G or directly on gold USD, low volatility? Someone asked me to look at gold before, yeah. It looks like it's good for scalps, Math. So like 1 minute, 1 minute time frame, potentially 3 minute. That's what it looks like it's good for. But I personally don't. I don't trade gold. I traded it in the past, but I don't trade it anymore. We got Ionco saying, me love Stonksy long time. It's great to know, Ionco. It's great to know. Google search trend on Bitcoin must have spiked. Would have thought, yeah, potentially. I bet you they are. Or I bet you they're about to spike. But this is interesting, and obviously Stonksy's well positioned in a long as well. On the 30-minute, is it on the 1 hour? On the 1 hour, on the 15-minute. So Stonksy's well positioned to catch potentially continuation today. But obviously we've got this, this SR that Stonksy's identified here, which was currently, what is the all-time high, and obviously this sort of pennant that's formed. So we'll see what happens today. But has anyone got any final questions or tickers maybe they want me to look at? We've been going for an hour and 15 minutes so far. And we've still got 37 in, so do make sure you go and drop a like on the stream. Drop a subscribe if you're not, and keep the comments coming. And yeah, do go check out Blowfin. The link's in the description. Go and sign up with an account. You get VIP1 instantly. It means you pay low exchange fees. and you will be in prime position to take advantage of what's to be released between Blowfin and Stonksy. So we've got Inge and Tia to look at from the chat. So I will look at those now. Let's see, Tia USDT and Inge USDT. Let's have a look. So it's currently in a green background. Obviously, we had the opening here, which then instantly got, a 5, 6%, 7% move to the upside. Then we did drop down below, but is now back in profit of 3%. So Tia looks like it's been took for a bit of a roller coaster ride. I think this was the Bitcoin drop yesterday, wasn't it? Bitcoin dropped fiercely yesterday, quite fast. But that's Tia. Let's see if it's caught anything on the 10-minute. That trade went against it. The 15-minute caught the push up nicely, and obviously has closed out. Anything on the 5? Yeah, so Tia just looks like, it's in a bit of consolidation at the moment here. Since it's push up. Let's have a look at Inge. Oh yeah, Inge is going for it, innit? And it's just broke through this SR level on Stonksy as well. It's just broke through this SR. And it's long from here. So nearly 11% up. And as you can see, Inge come down and tested this as well. Where Stonksy entered. But yeah, Inge does look like it's primed. It does look like it's primed. So we'll pay attention to this. NXRA's been having a decent recovery, holding some bags from a while ago. Yeah, because it had all that. It plummeted, didn't it, when they had that hack? But I believe, I did see something yesterday that it was recovering nicely. Let's see, NXRA. Yeah, it has recovered. It's not been too bad, has it? Because I think it settled around, was it 3 cents ish? Let's see. Oh, even lower, 2 cents. Was that the lowest that it went? It looks like it might have been. But yeah, so it's already up. So it's settled at 2 cents. Obviously, you could have scooped it up all here around about the 2 cents mark. And it's already been up at 8. So it's already done a 4x from the bottom. So yeah, it does look positioned well, and obviously Stonksy caught the move up nicely, both of them. This one and then this one. It does look like it's positioned. Hopefully, Math, I hope that it does a good run for you, mate, and you'll be able to extract some good profits from it. But the recovery so far is promising, isn't it? 4x off the lows. So hopefully it continues for you, mate. But if anyone's got any final Stonksy questions or anything, do drop them in the chat now. Or any other tickers, and we'll have a look at. If not, I'll be dropping off the stream shortly. But thank you very much for coming as well. Obviously, TMG will be going live today as well. So, you have a full afternoon, full daytime of entertainment from us now. You have obviously me that goes live on here. You have Spud that goes live on CSE. And then you have obviously TMG that does his couple of hours of live streaming. So between us all, we're pretty much around all day to entertain you through this bull market, which is good. And I look forward every day to chat with you guys, especially in this time. It's a really exciting point in the market. So it's superb to be trading this. Great stream information, mate. Thank you. And let me know, anyone in the chat. So anyone that's still in here, if you haven't got Stonksy, let me know if you've been maybe persuaded to get it, or maybe if you're thinking about it more after this live stream. So do let me know in the chat. I'd be interested to know if there's anyone that's, just a watcher, doesn't have Stonksy. Let me know after seeing what you've seen today on stream. Let me know if you're considering getting it more, or let me know if you've signed up to Blowfin. I know we've had a few. So we've got Harry saying don't have it still. Well, it'd be great to see you on there, Harry. Do make sure you come and join us soon, Harry, if you can. And even if you're not Harry, even if you've not joined Stonksy yet, you can still join our Blowfin link. So do make sure you come and sign up to Blowfin with the link that I've just put in the chat. It's there. You'll get VIP 1, which means you pay lower fees for opening and closing trades. Yeah, and you can still come and join that even if you haven't got Stonksy yet. So that's for everyone in the chat. Do come and sign up to Blowfin on the Stonksy link. Yeah, so click that link, Harry, there that I've just put in the chat, or it's in the description as well. Just make sure it's that, because obviously that's the one that's attached to to the Stonksy affiliate. And then, sign up to Blowfin and start trading over there. Non-KYC, like I said before. Superb exchange. Really, really good. So, it'd be great. That we've got Richard saying, caught Suey. Let's have a look at Suey before I go. Let's have a look at Suey. I can't believe it's Friday already, tomorrow as well. The week has gone fast. Whoa. Yeah, Suey's on another price. Suey's on another price discovery expedition, isn't it? Obviously, it's had this period of consolidation since, breaking above $3, between $3 and $4. And now it's back into price discovery, I believe. This will be. I'm pretty sure this is price discovery above $4. But yeah, Stonksy obviously got long on Tuesday and it's currently at 18% up. That is real good going. Caught it on a 30-minute as well, just a little bit later. Still 13% up on a 30-minute. 15-minute, caught it as well. 5-minute caught it. So, yeah, good win all around on Suey as it looks. Yeah, it looks like, is it heading towards $5 now? Potentially. We'll have to see, won't we? But, yeah, it's on another moon mission, Suey. Stonksy isn't just an indicator. Ionko says Stonksy is a peace of mind. Effing great. 5 a.m. So we've got Andy saying, sorry, I still don't. Yes. It's not released yet, mate. It's not been updated for the public script. I'm just using a private one just to come on stream and show everyone. It will be released this week for everyone, Andy. So we'll tag everyone in the Discord when it's released, and obviously everyone can then do the script update. But yeah, it's not on the public Stonksy script yet, so that's why. But it'll be released either today or tomorrow. So yeah, we'll do that at everyone in the Discord and let everyone know when it's ready. And when that happens, you don't have to even get rid of it and reinstall it. So what you'll do is you go to the Stonksy, click the 3 dots, and then when there's a script update, it'll say around here, I think it is. It'll say update script. You just do that, and then it'll update your script for you. You don't have to remove it or anything. But yeah, it's pretty much ready for release. It'll be released this week. So yeah, everyone can look forward to that. But yeah, just a bit of clarity on that, mate. But yeah, thank you everyone who's joined the stream today. It was an absolute pleasure. As always. It's great to have everyone join in today. And yeah, just the SR. Yeah, SR pretty much ready for release, Math. It's pretty much ready for release with Math. So go over to the Medium. So you'll find the Medium on the Stonksy website, obviously in the hyperlinks on any of the page, the Medium button there. And we've just published an explainer article for Sport and Resistance. So go and read that, get ready for the release. It's in, when you click the Medium link, it's the latest one that we've published. And it's got a full walkthrough and explainer on the automated SR. So do go and check that out. Everyone who's got Stonksy, get ready for the release of SR. And yeah, or rewind. But yeah, we'll be releasing it this week, so everyone will be able to update the script. But yeah, thank you very everyone for joining. Superb. Before I go, I will just drop the Blowfin link again in the chat. Obviously, it will help us out massively at Stonksy in terms of our partnership with Blowfin. And if you do enjoy the streams, I'd be eternally grateful to you if you do go and sign up with the Stonksy link and join Blowfin. There's obviously a bunch of strong reasons why to choose Blowfin over other ones. Plenty going on, but obviously one of the main ones for crypto people is non-KYC. You don't have to give them your driving license, you don't have to give them your passport, nothing. You literally just create an account with your email, and if you are in a restricted region, you simply just use a VPN, and you can obviously use it on desktop or the mobile app or both. So do go and join that. And if you want to join Stonksy as well, I know there's a few people that are thinking about it in the chat. Come and join us. You can just try it for a month if you want to. Like I say, you're not tied into a contract. You can cancel anytime. And this works out at roughly £4 to £5 per day. So, if you go to Costa every day, if you go to Starbucks every day and get a coffee, you can obviously just swap that for a month and pay for it that way if you want to, or just pay £145. It's not that dear for the month, considering that you get, obviously, this updated script with the SR lines that we're releasing, obviously access to the Discord, and obviously all the other stuff in the pipeline. Or you can obviously choose one of the other options. But yeah, that's my little sales pitch for everyone. What if something happens with the account? How do you verify to get a new password? So when you join a Blowfin account, you obviously join with your email. When you're in the account, you can set up Google two-factor authentication, so 2FA. You can add a passkey. You can add anti-phishing codes. There's loads of security, but you'll verify that way. So obviously, when you go in, if you just have your email on there, obviously you would to get a new password, you would verify with the email. But obviously, if you add Google 2FA, you'd obviously have an authenticator code. There's a passkey on there. There's an option to add your phone number, like Math said. But obviously, a lot of people don't go for the phone number in crypto because of obviously SIM swapping and things like that. But yeah, so that's your question answered. And Flo, just to mention about Blowfin, all customer assets, so all user assets are custodied in Fireblocks. So they've got no access to customer assets. So they can't dabble in funds like FTX did. The custodied in Fireblocks. So, user funds are back one-to-one and the proof of reserves are on Nansen. And obviously in other aspects, they've moved into an in-memory operation, which only 4 exchanges have achieved that. And look at the exchanges it's competing with. And obviously all these are KYC. Blowfin's not. So it's a no-brainer, honestly. Come and join Stonksy. I'll drop the link in again in the chat one more time. But it's in the description as well, and you'll find it on our website. But yeah, thank you everyone for joining. It was an absolute pleasure. And I'll see you tomorrow for Friday's stream. Friday's always a good one because obviously everyone's in a superb mood of it being Friday. So yeah, if you are a Stonksy member, I'll see you in the Discord today. If you're not, hopefully I've convinced you to come and join. If not, come and sign up to the Blowfin link anyway and begin trading on Blowfin. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Continue making your Stonksy profit. And yeah, we'll have a good end of week stream tomorrow. Yeah, catch you same time, 12 o'clock. Make sure you're here. And drop a like before you go. It does help out the channel.